An operator at a glass factory once told me, I don't own this knowledge, I just rent it till the next generation is ready. Hi, I'm Alexis Lamaudière. I work as an implementation consultant at Mercateam since a year and a half now. We implement the tool that is Mercateam software into the systems of our partners. For me, it's the light bulb moment, the moment when a team leader or HR realize they don't need to spend hours a week on the Excels anymore. They can now shift from I know something to we share, because there is a tool that centralizes every data. Our partners come from different industries, but they share the same challenge and issues in the day-to-day operating. How do we approach this is by process first and then tool second. So we adapt the process, we give them feedback about it, and then we implement this process into Mercateam. I think Mercateam's approach is more about the process than the tool. So first, the challenge is to clarify the process and then to implement every content and quizzes, for example, for trainings, into the tool. We often receive some improvement requests for the product, but when we search with the clients and we discuss with them, we realize that who's in charge and the process is not clear enough. In the office, manager thinks the operational procedure is 100% followed, but in reality, every day we see operators finding some clever workarounds for every issues. So we learn pragmatism and we try to configure it into the system so we can make an hybrid between the process and the real work to make it work all together. It's the moment when they go from another digital projects to implement to, I don't know how I used to manage that on paper before. There was a client from the food industry. We spent more than 2 hours on the production line, so yeah, we quite enjoyed it.